Right now, somewhere in Poland, an employee just lost thousands of zloty simply because they didn't know their rights. Another person just accepted an illegal dismissal. Someone else is working unpaid overtime because they think they have no choice. Here's the harsh truth. Employers often count on your ignorance. They know most foreign workers see Polish labor law as confusing fine print, easily overlooked. But what if mastering just 5 key principles could significantly increase your paycheck every single month? By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of Polish labor rights, placing you ahead of 90% of employees in Poland. You probably signed your contract feeling grateful and assumed everything was standard. Big mistake. Polish labor law provides robust protections, but only if you're aware of them. Poland's labor code contains around 300 articles that most HR departments prefer you never read. Why? Because knowing your rights can turn the tables dramatically. For instance, overtime isn't just after 8 daily hours. Overtime begins the moment you exceed your contracted hours. If your contract states 7 hours per day, the 8th hour must be paid at 150%. Employers often neglect to mention this. If you're finding this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more essential insights on living and working in Poland. Your employment contract matters more than you think. Poland recognizes 4 main contract types, and knowing yours makes the difference between solid protection and unnecessary risks. The umowa o pracę employment contract is your golden ticket. Full benefits, paid vacations, sick leave, and extensive job security. But beware of the umowa zlecenie and B2B contracts marketed as flexible. In reality, they favor employers significantly, stripping you of vacation pay, sick leave, and job security. Remember the critical milestone of 33 months. Temporary contracts automatically become permanent after this period, offering full benefits. Employers might conveniently restructure or terminate contracts just before month 34, so stay alert. Currently, the Polish minimum wage is 30.50 zloty gross per hour. This is your absolute legal minimum. This applies universally, even for piece rate or commission-based roles. Payment rules are strict. Wages must be paid monthly, no later than the 10th day of the next month, and unauthorized deductions are strictly prohibited. Any deduction, even disguised as team activities, must be reimbursed, often with interest. Vacation entitlement kicks in from your first day, 20 days annually or 26 with higher education. Crucially, unused vacation days don't expire immediately. They remain valid for up to 3 years. Office workers using computers have clear break entitlements. 5 minutes each hour of continuous screen time, and a mandatory 15-minute break after 4 hours. These aren't guidelines, they're legally enforceable rules. Sick leave pays at least 80% of your salary from day 1, without needing a medical certificate for the first day. Employers contacting you unnecessarily during sick leave could be violating the law. Pregnant employees enjoy exceptional job protection. From pregnancy through maternity leave, your job security can extend up to nearly 2 years. Fathers also have legally guaranteed paternity leave. Polish law firmly protects against discrimination in 11 categories, including age, gender, and ethnicity. Age discrimination is common, but easily evidenced if performance reviews suddenly turn negative without justification. Sexual harassment claims trigger mandatory investigations. Importantly, the burden shifts to employers, who must demonstrate proper action taken, not the victim. Union protections extend beyond actual membership. Even considering joining a union is legally protected. Any retaliation can result in substantial compensation. When your rights are violated, Polish law offers several paths to justice. The National Labor Inspectorate provides free assistance, often launching immediate investigations. Courts typically favor employees and will usually require employers to cover your legal expenses if you win. Remember, you have 1 year to file a complaint from the moment you discover a violation, not from when it happened. This nuance saves countless employees every year. Document everything meticulously. Emails, messages, and even informal notes can become crucial evidence in court. Knowing your labor rights isn't confrontational, it's empowering. Understanding your rights shifts the conversation from asking favors to asserting your legal entitlements. Polish employers respect informed employees because informed employees can't easily be exploited. Knowing your rights increases your value and protects your income. Polish labor law is robustly designed to protect you, but only if you understand it. Now that you do, use it confidently to ensure fair treatment and fair pay. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more practical guides on navigating life in Poland. Your support helps us reach more people who need to know their rights. Remember, knowledge alone isn't power. Applied knowledge is transformative. Use these insights to transform your work experience in Poland.